Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 15 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to the top to find about phone. As you can see, if you've got the update available, your device will show this information to you. So let's tap on it, and here we can tap on update. Basically, your device, after tapping on this section, your device will check for the updates, and you can meet two different scenarios. So this is the first one where your device will actually find the update. It will show the information about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download update, and of course your device will apply it. The second scenario is where your device is actually up to date and there's nothing to download. Of course, it will show you relevant information about your current software version, and and basically this is it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.